Welcome. In this video we're going to be solving logarithmic and exponential equations. Alright, so here we're going to solve this C there. Log base 2 of x plus 3 squared equals 4. And when you have log equals a number, you're going to rewrite in exponential form. Right, so we have this is our base, right? Just covered it up when I circled it. So that's our base. Actually, you know what? I'll write it down here so I can write it a little bit larger. Right, so log base 2 of x plus 3 squared equals 4. This is our base. This is our exponent, and this is the result. So 2 to the 4th power equals x plus 3 squared. All right, now let's go ahead and simplify that, and we can solve for x. So 16 equals, so x plus 3 squared, right? X plus 3 times x plus 3. When you're multiplying a binomial by itself, you're going to have the first one squared, right? So if we were FOILing, x times x, x squared. Right? You're going to have a double of what the 3 times x is, right? Because we're going to have 2 of them. So we're going to have a 3 times x plus another 3 times x, so we're going to have 6x. And then you're going to have the last one squared, because it would be 3 times 3. Right, so a fast way to just square, just as an aside, so if I had a plus b squared, it's going to be the first one squared. It's going to be twice the product of each of those terms, and then it's going to be the last term squared. Okay, so that has nothing to do with logarithms, but just a little shortcut when we're squaring a binomial. All right, so now we need to get everything to one side. So we're going to subtract 16. 0 equals x squared plus 6x minus 7. And now we need to factor. Right, so I'm going to move this out of the way. All right, so 1 times negative 7 is negative 7. Two numbers that multiply to give us negative 7. But add to give us 6. So that would be 7 and negative 1. Right? And so now we have x squared plus 7x plus a negative x minus 7 equals 0. And the first two are a group, and the second two are a group. So we'll factor out an x. We have an x plus 7. Factor out a negative 1. We have an x plus 7. And so x plus 7 times x minus 1. And so we have two solutions here. X equals negative 7, x equals 1. But are they both good? Well, we need to check those out. All right, and you need to check in the original equation. So let's see, we have log base 2 of negative 7 plus 3 squared equals 4. So that would be log base 2 of negative 4 squared equals 4. And of course, you square that becomes positive. Log base 2 of 16 equals 4. Well, that is a true statement, right? 2 to the 4th power is 16. I'm going to see if I can move this over. Let me see if I can squeeze in that last little space there. All right, so let's check the other solution. All right, so we have a 1. Log base 2 of 1 plus 3 squared equals 4. Log base 2 of, it's kind of a big 2. Log base 2 of 4 squared equals 4. Log base 2 of 16 equals 4. Also a true statement, right? Because it's the exact same one. 2 to the 4th power is 16. So here we have two good solutions. These are both good solutions. All right, in the next video, we're going to solve some exponential equations using logarithms. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.